Hey everyone, welcome back to Health News. I'm Robert, and today I'm taking a look at Circular Ring Slim. This isn't just any smart ring. It obviously bears some unique properties, one of them being one of the thinnest smart rings out there. Stick around to find out more about what's on offer here with this device. First, we have a special offer for you. Check the link in the description for a special deal on the Circular Ring Slim by using the code Healthnews to get an 8% discount. So, what sets Circular Ring Slim apart from other smart rings on the market? For starters, it offers real-time measurements of your heart rate, steps taken, calories burned, and more, right from your finger. Imagine having all of this vital health data at your fingertips without the bulk of traditional fitness trackers. With the Circular app's continuous 24/7 health monitoring, including heart rate, oxygen saturation, heart rate variability, and temperature, this ring provides a complex overview of your daily wellness. It even includes features like sleep analysis, energy tracking, and AI-driven personalized health insights. All of this just to help you optimize your daily routines and make informed health decisions. Moreover, when I heard that the ring and its app actually don't have a monthly fee, I instantly got curious. Health tech enthusiasts like myself practically had to make peace with the notion that you need to pay subscription fees for the use of modern devices. But there are no fees in this one. Props for that. It's important to mention that before you get the actual ring, you can receive a sizing kit. It comes with several 3D printed rings that represent the actual product in a selection of sizes. You can try these on to find the perfect size, which ranges from US 6 to US 13. It's a thoughtful addition. Now, the box. It has a magnetic seal, which is very handy. First up, we have the actual Circular Ring Slim itself. This ring is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 2 grams. It's lighter than most competitor rings, making it comfortable to wear all day. The dimensions are 8.8 millimeters in width and just 2.2 millimeters in thickness. Holding it, I can barely feel it on my finger, and I can close my fingers completely. Here, see for yourself. The design is minimalist and modern, crafted from a high-grade alloy of matte black, bead-blasted aluminum and carbon fiber. The exterior feels smooth and premium, while the inner part of the casing is made from medical-grade, non-allergenic, and non-metallic material. This ensures comfort for prolonged wear. I would say the ring was designed not only to be functional, but also stylish. It catches your eye but doesn't look out of place. Inside the ring, I find several sensors: an infrared LED sensor, a red LED sensor, and a green LED sensor. According to the technical specs, there's also a 3-axis accelerator meter and a surface temperature sensor. These, of course, are crucial for its comprehensive health tracking capabilities. Just imagine having all of these sensors working together to provide as many detailed health insights as possible. The charging dock. It's compact and portable, perfect for on-the-go charging. As you can see, it has a string, so I don't need to be afraid of losing it. I can attach it to my keychain and carry it with me wherever I go. The functionality is straightforward. Just place the ring on the dock, connect the USB 3.0 cable, and check for the indicator to ensure it's charging. It snaps on easily with its magnetic connection, which is a nice touch. The indicator is this small LED light. The ring fully charges in about 45 minutes and offers up to 5 days of battery life. And during the testing, I found that the periods between charging took me 3.5 days, which is fine. Lastly, there is the user manual. It's accessible via QR code right here. This guide will help you set up and use your ring properly. whether you're using it with an Android or Apple device. The instructions are short, clear, and easy to follow. According to the technical specifications, the ring is waterproof. I don't know about you, but to get the most out of any device's comfortability, I want to carry it with me everywhere I go, going bathing as well. So, I showered a couple of times with Circular Ring Slim on my finger and can only say the waterproof claims stand. The next step is the setup process and the Circular app's functionality. Setting up the Circular Ring Slim is actually pretty straightforward. First, download the Circular app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once downloaded, the app guides you through the pairing process. Simply activate the ring's Bluetooth function and it will sync with your phone in minutes. The app will then ask for your biometrics, like height and weight, to personalize your experience. My personal experience? I had a couple of hurdles with connectivity. Several times I just couldn't find the ring on my Bluetooth menu, or the connection process in-app just crashed altogether. Eventually, the device paired with my smartphone. Once paired, you're introduced to the My Circles feature in the app. This is your main navigation tool within the app, providing access to various health metrics and features. Let's go through them one by one. First up is Manage Circles, the main window. Here, I can customize which metrics and alerts I want to see. This is great for personalizing your health tracking experience. Next, we have the alarm clock. The ring vibrates gently to wake you up, a much more pleasant experience compared to a loud alarm, I would say. Since I'm a light sleeper, a little vibration is all I need to get me out of bed. It's customizable, so you can set it to vibrate at the optimal time based on your sleep cycle. Sleep analysis is another fantastic feature. The ring tracks your sleep patterns, including REM, light, and deep sleep stages, providing a comprehensive sleep quality score each morning. This data helps you understand and improve your sleep habits. The Energy Analysis feature tracks your energy levels throughout the day, helping you identify when you're most active or feeling sluggish. This, in particular, was incredibly useful for me. I optimize my daily schedule and activities accordingly. Guided breathing is designed to help you manage stress. The app provides breathing exercises, and the ring's haptic feedback guides you through each session, helping you relax and refocus. Live measurement is a standout feature, providing real-time data on your heart rate, steps taken, calories burned, and more. This is perfect for monitoring your health metrics during workouts or throughout the day. The Stress Levels feature monitors your physiological responses and provides feedback on your stress levels. This can help you identify stressors and manage them more effectively. Vital Alerts notify you of any significant changes in your health metrics, ensuring you stay informed about your well-being. The Medication Reminder is another handy feature, sending you alerts to your medications on time, which is especially useful for those with strict medication schedules. The dashboard is your main hub, providing an overview of all your health metrics. Here, you'll also find Kira Plus AI, the app's intelligent assistant that offers personalized health insights and recommendations based on your data. Funny to say this, but it's like having a personal health coach on your finger. So as we see, the application delivers a comprehensive experience. Tons of metrics. Each circle provides its point value system, and the Kira Plus AI watches over you with a machine learning algorithm every step of the way. All right, let's talk about my personal experience with the Circular Ring Slim. After using it for a couple weeks, I got some clear pros and cons to share. But let's start with the positives. First, the ring is incredibly lightweight and comfortable. Weighing just 2 grams, it's barely noticeable on my finger, which makes it easy to wear day and night. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits seamlessly into my daily life. The real-time health metrics are a standout feature for me. Being able to monitor my heart rate, steps, and calories in real time was extremely useful, especially during workouts. The guided breathing exercises helped me manage stress effectively, and the sleep analysis provided insights that improved my sleep quality. Now for the cons. The initial setup wasn't as smooth as I'd hoped. I had some connectivity issues with Bluetooth, and it took a few times to get the ring paired with my phone. Also, the battery life, while decent, didn't always reach the advertised 5 days. I found myself needing to charge it every 3.5 days. Another minor issue was the app's interface. It's comprehensive, but could be more user-friendly. Navigating through all the features sometimes felt a bit overwhelming, but that's just me. So, what are my final thoughts on the Circular Ring Slim? It's a useful tool for health tracking with a few minor drawbacks. If you can get past the initial setup hurdles and the battery life quirks, it's a great addition to any health-conscious individual's arsenal. The real-time metrics, sleep analysis, and guided breathing exercises were particularly impressive. Designed and assembled in France, the Circular Ring Slim combines European craftsmanship with current cutting-edge technology. If you're interested in trying it out, check the link in the description for a special deal. Use the code Healthnews to get an 8% discount. Thanks for joining me in this review of the Circular Ring Slim. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and check out our latest reviews on other similar devices, the Ring Con and Ultra Human Smart Rings.